Hi guys, now in this video I'll be showing you how to install XSender that you can use to send bulk email, bulk SMS and bulk WhatsApp messages. Now this comes with an app. The app works for the SMS side, which is Android, who serves as an Android gateway. So if you need to get this full installation done for your business, you can send me a DM. The contact screen is my contact details on the screen, and I'll get it ready for you in 48 hours now. This is already purchased, and I'll show you how you can do this and sell it for a business and it will be active and running live. Like I said, you can use the software to run bulk SMS, bulk email, bulk WhatsApp, etc. like that. So if you need all of this software, this kind of software, this is the installation process. Now, first thing you must know is you must get the domain ready, the domain you want to install it on, and let me show you that I have the file downloaded, purchased already, and I also have the license code purchased already. So wait while the network loads. While it's loading, so we'll now export the file here. So it has loaded. So this is the file. You can see it has been purchased already. So now I want to import the file here in the file manager. So now let's hold on while it loads. Now let's import this first. Let's import this first. Downloads. Now this is the file. It's loading now. So ensure you have already created a database. So don't forget domain and database. So I'll show you how this will be useful along the line. So now let's wait while this installation is completed, then we can continue. So guys, now you can see it's successfully uploaded. So this is the file here. Now let's get on with extracting the file inside the file manager. Let's extract. Make sure you have been extracting it to the same domain you want to install it. Now it says it has extracted, so we have it already. So what do we need already now? We don't need this, we don't need this, we don't need this. Okay, this is an app, we don't need this. So let's just delete this too for now. Oh, okay, probably let's just leave it. So now let's extract what is here. This is the installation itself. So in order not to affect anything, but let's just delete all of this. We can always import it back. So let's delete this. Let's delete this. So this is where the installation is. So now let's extract this main one now to the same root folder, which is the domain you are installing it on. So now it's ongoing. It's ongoing. Let's wait while it's done. So yeah, all of them are extracted successfully. So we have it here. This is where the installation file is. So this is the folder. Now let's try to launch the domain and see what we need to do. Yep. Ta-da. So this is it. Like I said, you're going to create a database, a password, and a host. So it's telling you to have it available. Mind you, you must download the file from CodeKion so I can get the Envato verification with has to do with the purchase code. It is like that. So now this is, like I said, you have to get a database set up. I have it already. So now let's insert the database in this setup. Now let's press next. Now this is next. So now note all of these requirements. Make sure that your hosting server meets up all of these requirements. If it does not, you need to contact your hosting provider for this. Anyone that is missing, that is not showing green, you need to contact the hosting provider for that. So now next. So now you can see the file has been set. So let's put our username and password for this. I'll be blurring this section, very important for my privacy. I'm going to insert it right now. So I've inserted the purchase code and Envato username. So let me just press next. Let's hold on while it loads. So yes, so now this is where we now enter you can see the verification has been accepted by Envato. So this is where we'll now insert the. So now I'll enter the details for this. I've already created a database already. So username, password. Okay, password here now. So leave this like this. Then you press next to the next slide. Now, so we are going to create a username for what we want to use it for. We can just use same XSender or use a username that you want. XSender, let me enter my email, then password I want. I'm going to blur this part. I'm going to blur this part for now. I'm going to use imports. Imports. Now, there's a difference between false imports and import. You can see if your database contains data, option for false imports, remove existing table but empty database. Simply click import to exercise caution. So our advice, you click import, don't click false unless you are using an existing database that already has a file. So if you're using a fresh database, just use import. So click on the import. So it's going to import every of the data file. It has imported successfully. As you can see, we are in. Now let's log into the admin dashboard so that I can show you how it looks like. Now all I have to do is just to click on /admin. 1 second, will allow it loads, so you can go to the admin section. Now note, this XSender is a SaaS software whereby you can use it for to sell as a service. Like I said, if you want this for your business, just ensure to reach out to me and I'll get it installed for you in 48 hours. We'll set up everything, every necessary thing, and it will go live. So now let's log in, and to show you that the software has been installed, you can see the same domain. So welcome back to Tech. You can see, so we have not done anything here. This is the software that it just as seen on Code Kion, and this is the final installation. You can set everything, set the gateway, etc. like that. Easy peasy. So if you want to get this for business, let me know. Send me a DM and I'll get it done for you. So I'll also help you set up the SMS side, the email side, the WhatsApp side. You can use to set bulk SMS and bulk campaign to wherever you want to sell any content to anybody in the world. So yeah. So don't forget to like this video, drop a comment. If you have any issue, drop a comment, and I'll also see my next video. Remain blessed, like come your way. Bye bye.